as I get into the 40s, I realize the point in life is to have more comfortable places to sit around your house and property. And that's why I like this bench. It is made out of durable material, not going to weather crack like wood, like the one I just replaced. Easy to put together, it has all these screws in it, but these are the top and the bottom half were all in, we're in one piece. All I had to do is put like the legs on. It was super easy to put on. And check this out, easily fits 2 people. And you got your cup holder right here. Yeah, here, throw stuff for the dog. Dual cup holder. Nice and comfortable. You got a nice laid back position. There's a little curve to it to kind of let you relax in it. And let's take a closer look at it now. All right, so here it is. Again, very comfortable. You can tell the dog, put a couple pillows on there if you want. The dogs are going to end up on there for sure. Very sturdy. I feel totally safe with it. Cup holder design here, you can see, just flips back up. And in the back, has a little pin to put in. Easy to lock away. Nice sturdy feet. Very easy to put together. All I had to do, this bolt, these bolts, those 2 screws, a couple on the front. Takes maybe 30 minutes. It's all easily labeled instructions. Again, super comfortable. Just love having more places to sit out here, play with my kid, play with my dogs. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.